Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. Today we will discuss concept of arithmetic progression. Students, do you know what is arithmetic progression? It is a sequence in which difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. For example, if we take a sequence 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Here difference between 2 and 4 is 2. Difference between 4 and 6 is also 2. Difference between 6 and 8 is also 2. And difference between 8 and 10 is 2. Here difference between two consecutive terms is constant. So it is an AP. Terms of an AP. First term of an AP is represented by A, then by adding D in first term. Second term is A plus D, then again adding D in second term. Third term is A plus 2D. Proceeding in the same way, the nth term of an AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. It is the formula to find any term of an AP. Finite and infinite AP. An AP with a countable number of terms is called finite AP, and an AP which contain uncountable number of terms is called infinite AP. How to find the sum of n terms of an AP? Sum of n terms of an AP is represented by Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where Tn is equal to nth term, a is equal to first term, and d is common difference. It means difference between two consecutive terms. How to find consecutive terms in AP? If we have to find three terms of AP, then we take three terms as a minus d, a and a plus d. If we have to find four terms, then we take four terms as a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a minus 3d. If we have to find five terms, then we take terms as a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. How to find the sum of n natural numbers? Formula to find sum of n natural numbers is n plus 1 by 2. For example, if we have to find the sum of first 100 terms, then n is equal to 100, and putting value of n in this formula 100 into 101 divided by 2, we can easily find the sum of first 100 terms. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe this video.